Hi, I'm Suchitra from Suchitra Handmaids. Today we are going to see the world of handmade soaps, the materials required: induction, the outer vessel with water, the inner vessel clean and dry. This is the chopping board, silicone mold, soap molds, weighing machine, cloth, sharp knife. This is soap extract, soap colors, spoon, glycerin base. So first we have to pre-boil the water. This water is half. Let it pre-boil. Take your weighing machine at the back side. Set your battery. Let it be 0. Then cut the glycerin bar into small pieces and weigh it for 50 grams. Let it be 55 grams for the first soap. Then switch off the weighing machine. Put the glycerin bars inside the inner vessel. First we are going to do a manjal soap. So the soap color is yellow soap color. So for 50 grams, just 2 drops of yellow color is enough. The color is only a color. So we have put the glycerin bars inside. We have 50 grams and soap colors 2 drops, and we are going to double boil the glycerin. Note that the water doesn't come inside the inner vessel. Let it boil. It will become liquid. By meantime, we have to weigh another 50 grams. And keep ready for our second soap. By meantime, you have to pierce holes for the extract. First we are going to do manjal. So manjal extract, take a fresh needle, pierce hole. Okay. Soap is being melted. See, it's getting melted. You should add color. The color is only a color. You shouldn't add extract when the glycerin gets boiled. So let it boil for till it becomes liquid. Stir it one time and keep it in the outer vessel. See, it's getting diluted. So now it's 90% diluted. Be ready with your fresh towel and extract. Fresh towel and extract. So now it's totally diluted. Your inner vessel, glycerin and soap color is melted, and manjal extract, after you get boiled, after you get melted only, you have to pour this extract. For 50 grams of glycerin base, you have to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 drops of manjal extract. Just stir it and pour it in the silicone mold. Then get ready with the second soap, glycerin 50 grams. The second soap we are going to do is tulsi. So for tulsi we need green color, just 1 drop. Put it for melting. Likewise we have to do for sandal, orange color and sandal extract, aroma blue color and aroma extract, and you can mix and match for watermelon, yellow, green or whatever color you want. So it's being melted, the second one, it's being melted. After melting you have to get down, stir it well. If you don't have the tray for the silicone trays like this, if you have individual cavities, you can keep it this cavity in a bowl, that the base should be flat, so that the soap finishing will be pakka. So it's being melted for tulsi soap. If you want, you can add colors. Some may like dark color or light color. You shouldn't add extract when it is melted. So green tulsi soap is going to get ready. Melt it thoroughly. Switch off the induction. Keep the in a vessel, in a towel. Then add tulsi extract. So again 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stir it gently and pour it in the mold, whatever you have. That should be silicone. Till that you should pour the melted glycerin till the last drop. Okay. Now set it for at least 1 hour. I have done it before an hour. So this is, you have to take this, check it that it has been come to room temperature, and remove the soap gently. And this is lemon soap, this is sandal, this is aroma, sandal, lemon, sandal, aroma, tulsi, watermelon, strawberry. So soap is ready within half an hour. So keep on trying. You will have a good result. Thank you.